What's going on, fellow engineers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do WordPress redirects in WordPress without actually having to install any plugins. Here we go. All right, so as I mentioned, we're not going to install any plugins to do page redirects. What actually I'm going to do and have already done, and I'm going to just show you how I did it, is that I've created pages in my WordPress directory that have redirects built into the code. So if you're familiar with writing code, you can do it this way. If you're not, you probably want to go ahead and install the plugin. So what I did was create a folder for each of the redirects that I wanted to have. So I got one for pretty much all of my social media platforms as well as YouTube. And so I'm going to show you the one that I have for Instagram. So I created a folder for Instagram, and then inside of that folder I created a index.php page. This could be an index.html page if you want. There's no actual PHP code in it. And so I have the very minimal web page that you can possibly have. It just has the HTML header, title, body, and closing HTML. And it also has this meta tag right here. And so this meta tag has a refresh attribute associated with it. And also this content attribute, it has two parts. The first part is the how long to wait before redirecting to the URL specified. And then the second part is the URL to redirect to. And so as you see here, I have my Instagram URL listed, and it's going to wait 1 second. Now you can put 0 in here to do basically an immediate redirect, but usually I like to land on this page and then redirect to the next page. And then also here I have a link that will allow you to, let's say something happens with the browser or the user press stop midway while this page is loading. They can still navigate to the destination by clicking this link here, and that link is the same as the link that's up here. And so in practice, I will close this and we'll go to the browser, and as you see over here, I will copy this URL because essentially it's the same URL, but the very end I will put in Instagram with a slash, and I'm not even going to type the index.php because when you type the directory, by default, most web servers, so Apache and Nginx, will default to the index file in there as the page to load. So just slash Instagram, and it'll hit that page as you see here, and then now it automatically redirects to my Instagram page. So it's a pretty simple way of doing it. I don't have a problem with adding more plugins, but because it's so few lines of code, and the more plugins you have, the bigger your database, and a whole lot of complications can happen with that. So I figured just go ahead and write the code in. If I ever need to change it, I can just easily change the code and go from there. So no need to actually have that in the database when all you saw was like maybe 5-10 lines of code for each redirect. Fairly simple thing to do. So if you've liked this video or enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like content like this. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. That way YouTube will help me out, and it helps you out by you getting notifications of when I make new content. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at almostengr. And until the next video, peace out.